Today, Mike and I are off to look at a Ford Transit heavy-duty dually. The purpose of today's visit is to obtain measurements of the interior for our Build a Van in our Basement series. The reason for this series is to ensure an accurate layout of the interior for our van build. If you are planning a van build out, this video should interest you. So grab a pen and paper and follow along.
Okay, let's doors lock open. $61.25. Now this one has a pad on it. 74 to the opening, 71.5 to the locks. Stepping in front of you. Opens up a little bit, 60, 61 in the middle. Then we go at the 61.5 still, I guess. And then we start to shrink down. We'll call it 54. Measure 69, but looks like it may be under. Let's go on top. That's 69.5 on top of the base. I have 64. $80.5. $79.25 to the center of the roof to the rib. $81.5 to the smaller rib. I better do that. We'll call this 62. William Smith. I wonder if that's an actor. Okay. This is where... Whoops. This is where I got confused on the measurements on the internet. We'll take an inch off of that. Let's see where I want to call that. As far as working space. If a person built their own wall, it'd be 150 inches, 100, maybe 149, depending on how. We'll call it 150 to the back side of this bulkhead. If a person's building it out, that you've got to work with before you hit your seats. $61 to the step. $69 to the edge. It's really 69 and a quarter, but oops, we'll call it 69. I mean, we're not making measurements for you to put on your CNC machine or anything. So I've got 51. $51. $53 and a half. $66 and a half to the center. I don't know. $64 to the middle of the curve. Let's see, am I missing anything? That little section's 11 inches. Which should be $79 and a half. And then we start to taper down at the bulkhead, 78 and a quarter. Kind of hard to 71. I'll call that 71. Then I want to, it's a little tougher. They've got the walls here. I'm going to move you. Up here, 76. Already did this, right? Got 4 inches in there. You can do something.
That's what I
was just wondering. I mean, is there any way to just make a little cubby
I think you,
cabinets back in there?
yeah, I think you could do some store. That's what I was thinking with the storage to have. But people want to insulate it because you're directly on that heat then. So it could be a trade-off. Okay, this is the sound deadening. Let me close that door so we're not buying a van we don't want. Have that head thing up there. I don't know if we want that or not. You know what I'm talking about?
No.
Did you see? Okay, we'll show you on some of the other videos. There's a shelf that comes with that you can get. Hopefully there'll be enough storage. I don't know if we want that, whether that'll make us feel boxed in.
Because this feels open right now. Really
Yeah.
open.
We'll go see if there's another one with the... Well, I'll have to give Reichert credit for having these open so we can look at them.
Let's go find another one.
Yeah, give me just... Okay. Forgot a measurement. 44, just like the drawings. Okay. Now to the next one. That doesn't have the headliner.
Wide open it looks.
Well, a lot more without the shelves in it.
Yes.
But this is a single, not the dually. So the only difference is going to be that floor area. Let me...
You gonna measure that?
Yeah, this one seems like it doesn't sit as high either. This should be like 58 there. 54. What did I say that other one was? 54?
I don't remember.
Well, we'll find out. No, it was 40 something. I think. Yeah, this is 54. That gives you a little bit more floor area, but everybody always covers up the wheel well, so.
Yep.
Yeah, I think this sits at just a little bit low. I'm assuming that all the hinges are we'll call it roughly 56. Oh, this is what I wanted to know, is how wide these doors are. 33. Because remember we were talking about the cargo.
Yes.
Because we don't want to encroach on the lights. And I'll probably be putting that one on this side, so I want to be able to open this door. We'll put the ladder on that side. So we also have .36. Now we can, there's probably 2 feet to play with here before you get into the window. 3 feet. Like I said, these are rough measurements. Let's see. Let's walk on down, find another one.